Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are painting a peaceful evening sky with a cityscape just starting to light up. So calming and magic. Look at this for a second. Remember the dreamy cloud sky we painted in the last video? Isn't it just magic how the colors flow and blend? I love revisiting these little watercolor moments. They really inspire today's evening scene. First, I will just clip the top left and the bottom left corners to open it up. I love how this little ritual makes me ready to paint. Alright, first step, wetting the paper. I'm using a big mop brush and getting from top to bottom with clean water. You want it nice and evenly because it's going to help our colors blend beautifully. Don't worry if it looks shiny, that's exactly what we want for a dreamy sky. While our paper is wet, let's get our paint ready. I'm starting with a lovely cerulean blue, such a calming color. And then I'm mixing a soft purple, perfect for that evening sky feel. Now comes the fun part, painting the sky. I'm applying this dreamy purple at the top. And because the paper is wet, watch how it spreads and dances. It's so satisfying. You will see me mix a little rose madder too, so we can get some pinky purple tones towards the bottom. Next, I add some rose madder to bring in some soft pinking tones at the bottom. You can even drop in a tiny touch of cadmium yellow for a warm glow near the horizon. Evening skies often have that gentle gradients as the sun says goodnight. For the bottom, I'm using a thicker mix of purple and cerulean blue. I will drop some of this mix into the middle area too. This gives the sky some depth and a hint of the fading light. Isn't it amazing how watercolors can move on their own? Okay, let's pause for a bit and let the sky dry. This is a great time to stretch your fingers, grab a cup of tea, and just admire how the colors are softly blending on their own. Now that our sky is dry, let's paint the city silhouette. Evening is setting in, so the sky still has color, but the buildings are turning darker. I'm mixing ultramarine with a touch of Prussian blue and a little bit of raw umber deep. Make sure it's thick, almost like a butter, but the way our buildings will look strong and solid. I'm using a small flat brush for this part. It's perfect for painting all those blocky building shapes. Just block them in as simple shapes. No need to overthink. See how the contrast with the colorful sky really makes the city pop? I love this part because it's where the city starts to come alive, even if the lights are still off. time for a little magic. City lights. I'm taking a fine tip brush with white paint, just a little bit of cadmium yellow. Then I dot in some lights on the buildings. It's like the people are coming home, switching lights on, and the city slowly wakes up for the evening. This step really gives your painting life and tells a little story. And there we go, a peaceful evening sky with a glowing city silhouette. I love how the colors melt together and those tiny lights makes it feel like a real city setting in for the night. If you enjoyed this scene, you might want to check out my other sky painting videos. Whether it's a sunrise, sunset, you can just click and join me here. Keep painting and I will see you in the next one.